Hi everybody. Uh, Today we are unboxing the optical cleaning set. It is a set intended for cleaning the lenses of your cameras or similar devices. This one is a model DKL-15G. Let's take a look what is inside. I already did open it. I had to use it for my camera. So it is VSGO Optical Cleaning Kit and Travel Edition. Yeah, it's very nice. It has this clip here, so you can use it to attach it to your gear. It's very compact, very strong, but flexible. It is opened here, and now we can see what is inside. So this one is an air blower when you have dust on your lens. Then we have here a pen. This pen has a brush for cleaning the dust. It also has a tip for cleaning from this side. Then there are microfiber cleaning cloth. They are vacuum sealed in here. There is also an operation manual. How to use it and everything. There is also another cloth for cleaning. This is how it looks like, the microfiber cleaning cloth. As you can see, it's quite large, some 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. There are also some antibacterial screen cleaning wet wipes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pieces inside. And finally, there is a camera lens cleaner. So it's a 30 millimeter 1.0 Oz. Application: environmental and stable formula, alcohol free, ideal for cleaning fingerprint, oil stains and other stubborn stains on lens. This is the usage, describe the usage and the manufacturer. I think this is a very nice set, very rich set, almost anything you would need in your optical devices and for cleaning of them. And I can say that I am very happy with current use of it. So this is all for now. If you like my videos, please subscribe. See you, bye bye.